To put it simply, energy medicine is a systematic way of working with the body's energies to promote health, healing, and vitality. In energy medicine, energy is the medicine. You strengthen the body by infusing it with healing energy and by activating its own natural healing energies. But energy is also the patient. You heal the body by restoring energies that have become weak, harmed, or out of balance. For instance, suppose you get frequent colds. Energy is the medicine, so you might go to an energy healer to strengthen your immune system. But energy can also be the patient. Suppose you have chronic pain in your legs. The energies in your muscles are probably constricted. You can relieve the pain and the chronic condition by balancing those energies. What is the meaning of medicine in energy medicine? Is it this? No. Drugs are simply one kind of medicine. Or this? No again, though love is definitely good medicine. Or this? Still no, though gratitude is great medicine. Or this? Not quite, but nature is yet more good medicine. Or this? Yes, energy is very good medicine. In energy medicine and in life, medicine is that which brings about well-being. So that is the meaning of medicine in energy medicine. What about energy? What is the meaning of energy in energy medicine? First, what is energy? This was a frequent discussion in the early years of my relationship with Donna. Well, what are the types of energy? There's solar energy, thermal energy, chemical energy, electrical energy, magnetic energy, electromagnetic energy, radio waves, microwaves, X-rays, and nuclear energy. Are these energies related to one another? We'll begin with one of Einstein's fundamental laws. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only be changed from one form to another. For instance, nuclear energy can be converted into electrical energy. Electrical energy can be converted into thermal energy for the heat in your hairdryer, or light for your room. Chemical energy from cellulose and wood can be converted to pyrotechnics in a fireplace. From another angle, potential energy can be converted to mechanical or kinetic energy. And from yet another angle, the energies in your hands somehow convert into energies that heal physical bodies. There is still as much mystery as science to this, but the science is catching up. From radio signals to heat to light to X-rays to nuclear energy, energy moves in waves. But rather than waves of water, there are waves of energy, which differ in their height, known as amplitude. High amplitude means high energy. Low amplitude means low energy. And their length, known as wavelength. Long wavelength, short wavelength. Why is this important? Because it is through variations in the length and height of the electromagnetic wave that energy codes information. For instance, these variations in the length and height of the electromagnetic wave let one cell phone find another. You heard that right. These variations in length and height create the unique signatures that let one cell phone find another. Each phone has a different energetic vibration, just as each person has a different energetic vibration. And working with these vibrations is the essence of energy medicine. Vibration has a meaning in pop culture, but it also has a scientific meaning. For instance, the differences among radio signals, heat, visible light, and nuclear energy are simply in the length of the wave. Meanwhile, the amplitude or height of the wave determines the intensity of the energy. We see all this in the electromagnetic spectrum. You are familiar with these energies: radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet light, X-rays, gamma rays, or radioactivity. These are all types of electromagnetic radiation. Whether a radio signal, or visible light, or nuclear energy, each, as we've seen, takes the form of a wave, and they differ in the length of those waves. The human body emits electromagnetic radiation. This is primarily in the infrared region of the spectrum. This infrared energy forms a field around the body, known in many cultures as the aura, or in science as the biofield. Electromagnetic waves can move through space. Electricity, on the other hand, requires a conductor. Since electricity is so fundamental to the body's energies, we'll examine it at its building blocks. Electricity starts with the atom. In the atom's nucleus are protons and neutrons. Protons carry a positive electric charge. Neutrons are neutral, no electrical charge. Electrons carry a negative electrical charge. When electrons move from one atom to another, they behave like waves, not like particles. And in that process, they produce electricity. This is the atomic structure of electricity. An electric current is created when electrons move from one atom to the next. But how can electricity move through the body's tissue? Elements in our body, like sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, make it possible for electric currents to flow from cell to cell. Electricity is a flow of energy. This flow of electrical energy regulates every biological system in the body. Plus, whenever there is a flow of electricity, a magnetic field forms around it. So to return to our question, what is the meaning of energy in energy medicine? Simply stated, energy medicine works with the flows and fields of the body's energies. It works with the flow of electrical currents, sending signals from cell to cell into the organs, and throughout the body's complex physical systems, such as its immune system, cardiovascular system, digestive system, respiratory system, etc. And energy medicine works with electromagnetic fields, organized biological processes. Energy medicine also works with another strata of energy, and it is one that science can't measure. Yet these energies have been known and applied in ancient healing traditions for millennia: Qigong, yoga, acupuncture. An understanding of these fundamental life force energies is a great strength of energy medicine. So the answer to our question, what is the meaning of energy in energy medicine, is that the energy of energy medicine includes well-known electrical currents and electromagnetic fields, as well as more subtle energies, which we will explore in future sessions. Which brings us to another fundamental question. What are the forms of energy medicine? Today, energy medicine has many forms. Some, as we've seen, use their ancient names: yoga, Qigong, acupuncture. Some are distinguished by the energy systems they work with: 5-element balancing, chakra therapy, or aura healing. Others are distinguished by the application of specialized techniques, such as massage, meditation, or breath work. While not specifically energy medicine, each focuses on and impacts the body's energies. Some forms of energy medicine are distinguished by the use of the energetic properties of specific substances or frequencies, such as sound healing, color healing, or crystal healing. Still others are distinguished by the ingestion of substances with specific energetic properties, such as herbal therapy, flower essences, or homeopathy. Other methods have been named more recently, such as quantum touch, reflexology, magnetic therapy, energy psychology, Brennan healing, therapeutic touch, Reiki. While it sounds ancient, it was developed in Japan in the 1920s. Shiatsu, also developed in Japan, it became popular there in the 1950s. Touch for health, polarity therapy, healing touch, energy healing, Feldenkrais, vibrational medicine, essential oils, and our own Eden method. All are forms of energy medicine. So along with more ancient approaches, energy medicine has a wide embrace.